channel. Today I'm going to try this skincare set that I got for Christmas. I'm finally going to get around to using it. It is a full spa experience from Bliss. It is their holiday collection and you get so much in this box that I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. I have to show you guys this. You get 8 products in here and some of them are pretty good size, so you'll get a really good idea if you really like that product or not. This is the Bliss Jelly Glow Peel. It's a exfoliator with fruit enzymes. You get a full package of the Bliss Makeup Melt makeup wipes. You get some Micro Magic microdermabrasion renewing scrub. Really love microdermabrasion scrubs. They really get in there and cleanse your pores, makes your skin feel so renewed and refreshed. So I'm really excited to try this one out. And I haven't exfoliated my skin for like quite a while, so I'm really excited to give that one a try. We got the Incredi Peel little glycolic acid packets right here. You also get the Bliss Makeup Melt Jelly Cleanser. Really good stuff. Here is the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrating Day Moisturizer. Some holographic foil eye masks. And the holographic foil sheet mask. You're going to be glowing all night long. So I'm really excited to try out everything. The one thing I wish they had was a toner. The first product is the cleanser, the Bliss Makeup Melt Cleanser. I already have a full-size bottle in the bathroom of this stuff. Let me tell you guys, this stuff is amazing, but to me it doesn't really work too well as a regular cleanser. It works better as a pre-cleanse to take off all your makeup residue. This stuff really does the trick to really get in there and get what the makeup wipes left behind. So this one, really good product to use as a pre-cleanse. It's similar to the Dermalogica pre-cleanse. This is a great dupe for that, and I believe it's like half the price. So definitely give this stuff a try. I'm going to use that one for you guys right now. Oh, it smells so clean and refreshing. Really love the scent. It smells just like the Dermalogica one. So I'm going to put a little bit in my hand. You don't really need that much either. So it really does go a long way. Really get in there and cleanse my skin. Get my neck here. Really excited to use this stuff. I haven't used this stuff in quite a while because I haven't really done my makeup. So, you know what? I'm really excited to finally get my skin up and getting ready. Put some water in my hand that I had from the side of the bed. Really getting in there and emulsifying this all over my skin. It feels so good. It is really refreshing and it does work so well. I'm going to go over to the bathroom and get to washing this off of my skin. My face feels so smooth and soft. Really good product. We're going to move on to the Jelly Glow Peel, and we're going to see what that one is about. It smells so good. It smells like grapefruit in a way. And it does say that it has fruit enzymes, so that is really awesome. I want to see the consistency of this. So it's a jelly exfoliator and it has very tiny granules. It doesn't feel too harsh. It feels pretty gentle. It's going to be pretty good for sensitive skin, and I so far really like what I'm feeling from this. But we're not going to use that one today. We are going to use the Micro Magic one. This is the one that I'm most interested in. I'm just like, yes. I've been looking for a good microdermabrasion scrub. It has a very minty scent. It smells like peppermint in a way. So I'm going to put some in my hand, a good amount. It smells like the mint chocolate chip mask. Smells good. Got a little bit on my nose. So I'm going to emulsify it in my hands with a little bit of water that I found from the side of the bed. There's like tiny micro granules in this. And you can really feel it working, but it's not too harsh. I thought it was going to be a lot harsher, but I wouldn't recommend this for like super sensitive skin because it has a little bit of a harshness to it, I would say. Not too much, but like enough. So I'm just going to get my neck here real quick, because what you do for your face, you do for your neck, so gotta make it all even around. It feels really good so far. I really like the feel of it. It feels like the one that Avon used to have, but for some reason I don't think they have it anymore, but I used to enjoy that one so much. And my skin would feel so amazing, so I'm very hopeful for this one. I'm having like a good vibe from this one. I feel like it's going to do something, like it's going to be just like that one. There is like a little bit of a tingliness and like a coolness to it, but I think it's because I'm, you know, working it in and like the air around me. I don't know, but like there's a cool freshness to it that I like. I know I'm getting it in my hair. Well, kind of forgot to wash all of my headbands, so it is what it is. I'm just gonna go for it. If my hair gets scrub in it, you know, I can wash my hair out later. It's not that big of a deal at all. I'm going to go and wash all of this off, and I will be back with the next product. I just got done rinsing off the scrub and it is phenomenal. My skin feels so rejuvenated, so clean. I'm a little bit red right here and right here on my neck, but I think that's because I haven't exfoliated in a while. This is a great product if you want an at-home microdermabrasion, but you don't want to buy a full kit, you know, and you just want to do like a scrub. This one would be the one for you. These Incredi Peel little packets, they're okay, but I don't feel like they do too much for your skin. They're like good for like a quick exfoliation, but I feel like they don't do too much. But if you want to do like a mini facial, something quick and simple, I like them for that. I would prefer if it had a toner instead of these. I love the Makeup Melt Bliss wipes. Great tool to have to go along with the facial cleanser right here. These two make a perfect pair, so definitely get your hands on both of them. They are amazing. They really clean off everything. So I'm going to go in with the face mask, the holographic foil sheet mask, and the eye patches. You get a few cute little eye patches in here. There's one right here. It has cute little stars on the mask, so that is one eye patch going under the eye. There we go. You get a lot of product on these too. Like, they are soaked. And then we're going to get the next one out of here. Throw away the package. Place this one on the other side, like so. And work and even it out. There we go. we have those on. Going to put on the bigger face sheet mask. I haven't done like a full on facial in quite a while, so this is very nice to get like back into it and try new and exciting products. This is super fun. Oh, it's really wet. Oh, they put a lot of product in the mask. It's dripping like crazy. Don't need that all over the bed and all over myself. So obviously the holographic side would go face out. So you gotta finesse this all together. I don't think there is like a tab to peel, so you just put it on. And look at its cute little stars. You could be like Elton John. And put it all over your face. Put some on your neck here, because you get so much product, so why not, right? Put that on your nose. See? Then you have the eye patches underneath to give you even more product. So you are going to be set and ready. I look amazing, don't I? I look like the man in the Iron Mask. And I think you leave this on for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Nearly a bottle of serum in just one mask. No wonder it's like so drippy. Really like serum. This is a mask for you, but it does not hug your facial contours whatsoever. That's a lie straight from the pit of hell, that's for sure. I put the nose flap up because it's trying to suffocate me. I was getting assassinated. The mask was trying to assassinate me by going up my nose. So put that little flap up. So I'm going to let this settle for 15 minutes and then come back to you with my next step of my skincare Bliss facial. 15 minutes is up and it's time to take this ooey gooey thing off. It's okay. I'm not a huge fan of the mask. It's cool, it looks cool, but so much serum. I wish they would not put so much serum in the package and on the mask, because it just gets everywhere and the mask doesn't fit right on your face, so it should be like a little bit smaller with like a little bit less product. I'm going to take off the little eye patches. I'm going to massage all the product into my skin. The mask is very hydrating. It's good for hydration, so if you have a very dry skin, especially in those snowy areas, maybe consider the mask. The last product that I have from this collection is the Drench and Quench All Day Moisturizer. And I have a little tiny spoon here to get some of the product out, so that way I don't contaminate it. And it's brand new, so let me open this up. Oh, it smells so clean and refreshing. So I'm going to take a little spoonful like that, not too much. Just apply a little bit to my skin just to add some hydration. You don't need a lot of this. I think I actually put too much on my hands. Like, you don't need that much of this product at all. Like, it is potent and fast acting for sure. This is a great hydration brightening kit. If you need hydration because your skin is very dry, this would be perfect for you. I really like this because there's so many beautiful, wonderful products that go well with like different skincare products. Like, you can mix and match and customize your skincare regimen. It's a very beautiful collection. They really went all out for this collection. I am pleasantly surprised to see a collection out there that actually has pretty much everything that you need. Except for the toner, you gotta get your own toner, but for the most part, fantastic. They actually give you really good size product so you can get around to actually seeing if you like the product. You know, also you can buy the full size product as well. I think some of these might be full size products. Not sure, but definitely love the Bliss products. Definitely get your hands on this holiday collection, the Deluxe Fall Facial Set. If you can find this online, get it if you can. Or pick up some of these individual products as well. You will not be disappointed. You'll find some amazing products from the Bliss collection. I want to thank all of you guys for joining me on this Bliss facial and letting me show you some of the amazing products from Bliss and some of the standout stars that they have to offer. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this video for you. Glad to get back into doing a nice skincare facial and, you know, getting back into like some self-care for 2022, you know. It's so important to take care of yourself. You can't take care of others if you don't take care of yourself, so definitely, oh, I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but like, it's so important to take care of yourself because you're no good if you don't take care of yourself, you know. I don't know why I'm getting so emotional, but pull myself together. If you guys like this video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up. While you're here, subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.